Joe.
Hi there, my name is Joe Makori with Colac, and today we're going to be talking about safety of XRF machines mounted on the GERDA machine. So what I have here today is the GERDA frame. It's a table sampler. It's got an attachment here of an XRF device in the camera. And a lot of questions we usually receive are, what are the health and safety features of having an XRF device? So this is a handheld device, commercially available, designed to be used by hand to run scans on core or other material. However, we're going to show you the beauty of mounting it on a GERDA and using it, because it will eliminate the exposure to potentially X-rays, if that's what we're worried about. So what I have in hand here is a radiometer. This is a radiation detector, handheld radiation detector device that I'm going to put close to the XRF sensor and show you how much radiation is being exposed. Typically as humans we should receive about 3 rams per year of radiation. The device here is configured, to show to a point level per hour, so a point millirams per hour. So I'm going to set it up where we have, an alert, so it's going to sound. Alex, if you want to take a picture of the GERDA, and you can put it on. And so I'll put it right there. As soon as it starts detecting, I'll grab the camera, and then I'll show you the beeps and the alerts that will be generated from it. So once we have any radiation detected, we should see the flashing color red there, flash a bit more, and we will receive an audio alert, which will obviously become higher and more intense closer to the XRF scanner. And one thing that we want to test is how far you need to be safe. Is it a few centimeters? Is it a few feet? Keeping in mind this is a handheld scanner that you typically be using it with your hand. So the machine is on, it's running. It's about 5 centimeters away. It will go red once it starts scanning. And as you can see there, it's picking up some reading, but it's been set on the high setting there, 1100, so I'm going to drop it back down. So now we're receiving point readings, milliram readings. So it might be more representative as it's going up. You can see it there close. And then I'm going to move it further now, about 10 centimeters away from the device. And as you can see there is minimum to no reading. So it's quite low. So I'll take it to the lowest setting where we're going to receive higher readings, higher results. Start off by keeping it close, about 5 centimeters away, and you can hear it starting to beat. So that's 0.2, 0.1 millirams. And the next one I'll move it further back, about 10 centimeters away. And for the last one I'll put it a foot back. So the readings are pretty much almost similar to when they were 5 meters close. And so that's about a foot away from the scanner. And as you can see, it's flashing, and there's almost no reading being captured.
Yeah, no. Paul just told me that by Canadian regulation, the measurements are taken 1 meter apart. So if you move it to 1 meter from from the sensor, it's showing obviously nothing. Absolutely no. It's not a movement. It's about a meter from the sensor. This is how Canadian regulation works, right? Yeah.
So as you can see, the GERDA provides not only a safe working environment, but it makes sure that any X-ray operator is much more safe, because they're not spending their time in close proximity as I am You just set up the GERDA and you let it scan, and you walk away to do other jobs, and you come back when it's done scanning and it's radiation effective and free. In my opinion, I think that's better than holding the device and working with it all day, because you're closer to receiving more radiation by holding it by hand versus using our table mount sampler with a GERDA connection.
Yes. Thank you, Joe.
Thank you.